How to fix there was a problem sending a verification code to please enter a different phone number. If you're having this kind of error, be it on your YouTube or any other application, then we will help you troubleshoot and actually fix this problem. So if you're having this issue on receiving a code, head over and try the steps that I will give you, or you can also contact the official support team of the platform you're using. So for the platform, you're currently using YouTube. And if you're having problem with this, you can head over to a new tab, either on your browser or your actual phone, and then head over and search in here for YouTube support right there. You can see this YouTube help, head over and click on that. If you're having problem receiving verification error, for example, on WhatsApp, you can head over and search in here for your actual account or your actual app's support. Head over and then contact the support and they should be able to help you fix this particular problem. Now, the next thing is if you're having this problem on a browser or on the app, you can head over and clear its cache. It has different steps on the app, but you can just long press the actual app itself and clear the cache on the storage. But if you're having this problem on your browser, you can click on these three dots. Then after that, scroll down and click on settings and clear the cache to this. You can just search in here for cache. Click on this right there. Make sure that this cache image and files is open. Click on this delete data, and after that, you should be able to clear the files that is actually synchronized to that particular account that you have. Now, in here, you also need to actually check if the phone number format is correct. So, for example, make sure that you have selected the correct country, and if you already selected your country, you don't need to input your country code anymore. So, make sure that your phone number is correct for that as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.